Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming access. Sign into your Google account and enable the AI image feature in Labs or the relevant product settings. Once done, collect 1 to 3 reference images in JPEG or PNG, roughly 1024 by 1024 pixels, to guide composition. Next, craft a compact prompt describing subject, style, mood, camera angle, and color palette. This prompt steers the model, so be specific. Make sure to save your prompt draft externally so you can iterate rapidly during generation. Now you build the working prompt and tweak parameters. Begin with subject and main style, then add modifiers like lens type, lighting, and mood. For example, portrait, film noir, 50 mm, moody. If the UI supports weights or negative prompts, use them to emphasize or exclude elements. Adjust resolution, steps, and creativity/temperature sliders conservatively. Then run a batch of 3 to 5 variants. This reveals which phrasing and settings deliver the best composition and lighting. Compare outputs and note what to change. Finish by choosing the strongest variant and applying final adjustments. Crop for composition, apply gentle color grading, and remove artifacts with in-paint or local editing. Export a high-resolution PNG or JPEG and save the exact Prompt Plus settings so you can reproduce or iterate later. If results look off, troubleshoot. Simplify the prompt to core descriptors, reduce creativity/temperature, or re-upload clearer reference images. Make sure to retry small changes rather than large rewrites to isolate what.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.